What's up, guys? We are going live. This is random flawless half case number 3. Sorry, my mind was somewhere else for a brief moment. We got the teams and the names in. Dice has to be 4 more. It is a 6. We randomize both. Put you in a spreadsheet wherever you line up. That is who you get. 6 times. Vikings are on top. Good team on top. Okay team on the bottom. XSSWPH is the code for the teams. Again, 4 more. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ralph on top gets the Vikings. Patrick Newton on the bottom gets the Bucks, and I don't know the rest. KUUFTJ is the code for the names. Let's see. Kabloosh. There you go, guys. That is who you have. Ooh, Matthew Reblon lands the Texans. Nice, Mr. Reblon. And we are done. Timestamp 11:50. Thanks, guys.